In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to create a conversion action so you can measure what matters, like purchases, sign-ups, or calls, right inside Google Ads. First, open your Google Ads account and make sure you're signed into the correct account that controls the campaigns you want to measure. It helps to have edit access since you'll be creating a new conversion action. Next, click Goals. Depending on your interface, you'll find Goals in your main navigation. If you don't immediately see it, use the search bar in the platform to look for goals or conversions. Google occasionally updates the layout, but the section name remains consistent. Inside Goals, click Conversions. This is where all conversion measurement lives. From there, click Summary to get an overview of any existing conversion actions and their current status. This page helps you confirm whether anything's already tracking and keeps everything in one place. Now, click Conversion Actions. This is where you add a new action. Before you create it, decide what you want to track. Think about the meaningful result you want your ads to drive. Common examples include a completed purchase, a lead form submission, a booked appointment, a phone call from your ad or website, or an app install. Choose the outcome that aligns with your business goal so your reports stay focused and reliable. Once you've decided, select the relevant option. Then click. Save and continue. The platform will guide you step by step. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully. You'll typically be asked to name your conversion, choose whether it has a value, select how many conversions to count per click or interaction, and set your attribution and conversion window preferences. These settings influence how your reports and automated bidding behave, so pick what matches your objective. For example, purchases usually count every conversion, while lead forms often count one. You'll also see options for how to implement the tracking. The screen will present the methods available for your setup, such as using an existing site-wide tag or a tag manager. Choose the method that fits how your site is built. If someone else manages your website, you can share the instructions from this screen with them directly. After saving, return to the summary page to confirm your new conversion action is listed. Initially, you may see a status indicating it's waiting for activity. That's normal. Once the tag fires, the status will update and data will begin to populate. That's it. Your conversion tracking is set up and you're ready to measure results effectively.